As you probably know, not all angels operate on their own, and very often angels operate in groups or in syndicates, and now we'll talk about that a bit. Let's talk first about syndicates. What is a syndicate? It's when an investor, typically an angel investor, finds a investment deal, a startup that they want to invest in, but instead of just investing on their own, they call into the deal their friends or their group of investors that they've connected with previously, and they all add money into the same investment. When there's one or two, or whoever is leading the syndicate, there's basically one leader leading the deal, and all the others are just joining in. This could be great for your startup because that means you get more money, and it can be done usually fairly quickly. Syndicates can operate fairly quickly. So basically, you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting the speed of an angel investment and the ability to invest early, and you're getting a larger check. Of course, syndicates get a lot of deal flow, and it's very competitive to raise from them. Now, close to syndicates but different from them are angel groups or angel clubs. These are clubs where angels network with each other and make investments. Sometimes in some clubs they invest together, meaning they put money into the club and the club invests. And in others, they're just summoned to investment opportunities and they invest. Sometimes each decides on their own, and sometimes there's set terms where they can join in, similar to a syndicate. Lots of angel clubs are excellent and can bring a lot of value and a lot of networking along with the money that they put in. But beware, because some angel clubs are more about entertaining the angels than about actually making money through investments. And whoever's running those clubs is making money by taking a service fee or a subscription fee from the angels, and it's not really from making the investment per se. So you need to be careful with angel groups and see who you're joining, especially when it comes to the bigger angel groups. Now, when it comes to an individual angel, many angel investors belong to several groups or are affiliated with several syndicates, meaning they use that as a source of deal flow. And that's great because they're open to opportunities. Sometimes it can also mean that they can be a door opener to the syndicate or the group that they're related to, and that's excellent. But one thing to, again, be aware of is that some angel investors belong to join investment clubs or investment groups or angel groups because they couldn't be bothered with making an investment on their own. They don't want to talk to you. They don't want to do the due diligence. And all they will do is send you to the website where you can complete a form for the angel group, just like everybody else. So sometimes it's just there's no point in reaching out to them. That's especially true for people that belong to, that are members in the big angel groups like Keiretsu, etc. One additional kind of subgroup of angel investors that operate along other investors are venture partners. What is a venture partner? They are affiliated with a venture capital fund, but despite the name, they're not partners in the fund. They are partners from outside the fund. So they're not general partners, they are venture partners, which means they're basically scouts. They can bring in deals into the venture capital firm. They have some relationship or some agreement with that. So in a way, these are great contacts to have. They're well connected. They're very knowledgeable, usually experienced because they've earned that position, and they can bring you into the venture capital fund they're affiliated with. But many of them will not invest on their own, so they won't invest immediately as an angel investor. So they're basically more a door opener to a venture capital fund than an angel investor. But again, there are many angels that are both things, both individual angels that invest independently and venture partners that can bring some of the deals to the venture capital firm that they are affiliated with.